Hey art friends, we have a new ebook. What is this one called?
The spring ebook.
Yeah, this is our how to draw spring stuff. How many things do we have in here?
50.
Yeah, there's 50 step-by-steps and 50 coloring pages. Should we show them what's inside?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we're gonna flip through this really quick. Now we got a lot of spring things in here. We got stuff that has to do with daylight savings time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and we also have Memorial Day.
Mm-hmm.
And we got spring things like ants, bugs, and baby birds, and yeah, insects. Look, the baby
did
deer.
that one.
Yeah, we did. Isn't that cute?
Mm-hmm.
We have a simple bee lesson in here, but we also have this really realistic bee.
Yes.
Does that look cool?
Mm-hmm.
And we also have flowers. We have a tulip and
I love
daisy.
flowers.
I love flowers too. They're one of my favorite things to draw. And we got Easter stuff.
Easter.
We'll leave a link below this video where you can head over to our website and purchase this ebook. How much is it?
$4.99.
Yeah, $4.99, and it's a PDF download. So you can, once you buy it, you can download it, and then you can print it out yourself. Mm-hmm. Now, what are we gonna draw today?
Cherry blossoms.
Cherry blossoms. We hope you're gonna follow along with us. You got a marker and some paper. You ready?
Yes.
Now we're going to use the printable from our ebook. This is the cherry blossom lesson, and we're going to do it step by step, and each step is marked with red. Yeah, so you know what to draw next. Mm-hmm. So we're going to put this up here. Now, see, this is also the coloring page. So if you just want to color it, you could just print out the coloring page. All right, let's put this up here. You ready to do our first step?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to draw the little circle for the center of our first cherry blossom, and we're going to draw it down here in the center, but towards the right. We're going to draw just a little one. Well, it's kind of bigger than I planned.
Right here?
Yeah, that's a good spot. Good job. Now we're going to draw 5 petals that go around this circle. So we're going to draw them kind of big. We're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5th one. Good job. Give it 5. You did awesome on counting 5 petals. Now we're going to draw a curved line down here. We're going to leave a little space, and we're going to draw another blossom, but the side view of it. We're going to draw it curved like this. Isn't that cool? Leave a little space so we can draw the branch that goes in between. Good. Now we're going to draw 3 petals on this one. So we're going to draw 1, 2, and then a 3rd one that comes out and connects.
Oh, it's pointing sideways.
Yeah, it's sideways, pointing down. Yep. Good job. And then a middle one, and then another one. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to add 2 more petals, but we're making it 3D, so these ones are behind the other ones. Oh. See that? You just draw a little U shape. Yep, and then we could do another one right next to it. Oh, it looks pretty, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Okay, now we're going to draw the inside details of our blossoms. We're going to draw a letter V on each petal.
V.
A V.
V.
Go around and draw 5 V's. Then while you're doing that, I'm going to come down to the side view one, and I'm going to draw 2 down here on the small one. Small little petals that are behind. Yeah, you fit them in.
It's kind of hard to
Good job. I know, you did it. Good job. Now we're on step 6 on our printable. So we're going to add little circles to the end of each V. And we're also going to draw 2 more circles over here for smaller little buds.
Okay.
Right here, we're going to draw little circles on each end of the V. We fast forward to that part, but anytime our art friends need more time to finish a step, what can they do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can always pause the
video.
Yeah. All right, you ready? We need to draw those 2 other circles up here. We're going to draw one right here, and I'm going to draw another one right here. One next to each of them.
Here?
Yeah, draw them about the same size that I drew. There we go. Yeah, good. And then one about here. Now we're going to draw 2 more that are even smaller. And I'm going to draw them a little higher over here. Like ovals. That's a good spot. Yeah. And then one more maybe right next to it. Good. Okay, now on each of these we need to draw the little petals, but they're not open. They're closed. So we're going to draw a curve on each one. Curve there, curve there. Now I'm also going to add curves on these smaller ones up here.
They haven't opened yet.
Yeah, they haven't opened yet. They're about to. And then down here on the bigger ones, we're going to add one more line so you can see an extra petal.
Because they're about to open.
Yeah, they're a little bit bigger. Now we're going to draw the branch that connects to all the buds, all the blossoms. We're going to start here, and we're going to draw a wavy line that comes up and connects to the middle one. So here we go. We're going to start here. Curve this. I'm going to curve up and maybe add a little extra wave and then connect. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll start right here. You can start down here. We're going to curve and then connect up to there. Yeah. Keep going. You're doing good. You did it. Now we're going to draw the other side of the branch. Now we can start up here on this blossom, and we're going to start really close, but as we get down here to the bottom, we're going to get thicker. Okay? We're going to start close like this.
Thicker,
We're going to follow
thicker,
it. We're getting thicker,
thicker.
thicker, and really thick down at the bottom. So you can get further away there, but start close up here.
Okay. Follow the same line.
Yeah, follow the line, but you want to get a little further away as you get down. Just like that. Next, we're going to connect to this bud right here. So we're going to draw a curved line that comes down like this and then connects into the branch.
They're all connected.
Yeah. Then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to be really close, follow the line, and as we get down here and connect, we can get a little further away, but we don't want to get too thick. We want to stay about the same distance right here, same thickness.
Now it's looking like a tree branch.
Yeah, it's starting to, isn't it? Okay, now we need to connect all of these other ones. So we'll connect this one in first. We're going to draw one line and then another line right next to it.
Because I'm like, why are they floating?
Yeah, they're floating until we connect them. Then we can connect this one, and I'm going to connect it right into this branch, the big one. And then we can connect these two big blossoms. And I'm going to just draw a little wiggly line and
And they
another
already
wiggly line.
opened.
And these ones have opened. Yeah, they're pretty. And then I'm going to connect this one also. Now let's add a few extra little buds that are even smaller, that are sticking, just starting to grow. There you go. One right there. I'm going to add one over here. Now this is the last step on our lesson. It's number 12 right here. We're just adding these little, really small ones on the branch. They almost look like thorns, but they're not.
Yeah,
Okay, I'm going to add one there. Yeah, like if this was a rose bush, but they're not. Cherry blossoms. I added one there. You can even add more. Now, the cool thing about this lesson is even though we follow the step-by-steps, we could use our own creativity and we could add...
change it.
Yeah, we could change it. Exactly. We could add more blossoms all over the place and really cover the page.
And draw a tree.
Yeah, you could even draw the whole tree if you wanted.
Yeah.
Now, let's add a few more blossoms. This part we're going to fast forward, but you guys at home can pause the video if you want to add more to your branch. I got a little crazy drawing extra branches. Now, that's okay that our drawings look different, right?
Yeah.
Because the most important thing is,
To have fun.
yeah, to have fun
Fun.
and to
Practice.
practice. Now, we still need to do one last thing to our drawing. What is it?
Color.
Yeah, we still need to color our drawings. We're going to fast forward it one more time, but you guys can pause it at the end to match the same color. Hallie, good job on coloring your cherry blossoms. Did you have fun?
Yes.
You promise? I love how well you did. Now we use a magenta or kind of a dark pink for the center of our blossoms. Then we use a lighter pink for the outside, and we use white to blend it so it looked nice and soft. What was your favorite part?
The little baby leaves.
To these teeny little baby leaves.
Boop, 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 boop. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your blossom.
Yes, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye! If you had fun following along in this lesson, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the circle. Then you can click the bell to get notified every time we upload new videos. I've also picked out these 2 other lessons I thought you'd really enjoy. Don't forget to take a photo of your child's finished artwork and share it on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because we want to see how awesome it turned out.